Hi, dear Filmbase global partners. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hi, Filmbase customers and partners. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Dear Filmbase global partners, wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello, Filmbase worldwide partners and friends all over the world. This is Suki from Filmbase. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Hello, dearest Filmbase partner. Many thanks for your excellent cooperation in 2024 and looking forward to working more with you in 2025. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Dear partners, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Welcome to Filmbase Factory, my global partner. I'm Peter. I wish you Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Welcome to Filmbase Factory. I wish you Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. Yeah.
Filmbase R&D Center, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.
Mandy and Peter already finished.
Hey Wendy, it's our turn.
Okay?
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.